there, it's Megan with WTI, and these XITUO steak knives not only make cutting meat a breeze, but they're practically a work of art. They have a really visually appealing Damascus steel pattern and gorgeous wood grain handles. They look really impressive and dress up any table setting. When I had company over for dinner, my guests really admired them. These knives are about so much more than good looks though, because they cut extremely well. I've used them with steaks, chicken breasts, chicken thighs, and it didn't matter. It was a cinch to cut through everything, no matter how generously sized the portion was. They feel really great and natural to hold in my hand. I find them to be easy to grip and comfortable to handle. As soon as I held one, I was immediately impressed by the very high quality feel that they have to them. I'm so glad that they come in a set of 6 because for us, we don't normally have more than 4 guests at one time. So I'm glad that all of my visitors will have one to use. I find myself just looking for reasons to break out these beautiful XITUO knives lately because of what a joy it is to use them. And that's my point of view.